Hey guys, welcome back to my let's play. Joke lang. As you can see, wala akong skin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit wala akong skin. I don't know what's happening, pero hindi ata naglo-load. So anyway, today I'm going to talk about my plans in the future where I think I have to drop my college na kasi um hindi parang wala nagtatanggap sa akin ng group. I mean, wala tumatanggap sa akin ng grupo sa thesis ko. At the same time, I want to let you guys know na parang shut up. Na parang naisip ko lang na wait lang. Diba? Hello? Ayun. Di pala ako nag-record ng sounds ko sa Minecraft. Pero anyway, sinasabi ko lang to just a document to myself na kahit ano man mangyari, I still believe that there's more to me than having the idea of where I have to sacrifice something to gain something, which is my mind has been clouded with so many of information na hindi ko na alam sa lugar or pupwesto. And it kills me inside then sabihin na parang nandito ako ngayon, buhay pa. Pero naisip na lang ako if ever man lang na nabibigyan ako ng opportunity ng universe or bibigyan ko rin ng sarili ko ng grace to do the things that I need to be done despite my feelings and despite my laziness. Paisip na lang ako na kung saan ba ako patutuhan na itong katamaran ko or kaya pag-overthink ko. And it really paves me a way to really ask myself what do I really want in my life. Pero hindi ko alam yung gusto ko talaga sa buhay ko. I mean, like it's been so much time and home stretch na na parang andito ako ngayon, nakapag-enroll na ako. Tapos problema ko lang wala akong kagrupo and I'm too scared to take my thesis na solo despite na knowing na I can do it or kaya kinakailangan. And I really spent half of my days or it's been months or parang days na rin na parang hindi ko sineseryoso yung pag-aaral ko kasi puro laro, puro ako this, puro ganyan, puro excuses. Isip ako naiisip, puro ako pini-pleasure ko lang sarili ko in many things. And it scares the shit out of me kasi ngayon ko lang to na-realize for myself pero pag andyan na yung responsibility, umaaway na ako tapos yung body ko nag-flight response and it really gives me the lack of competence and confidence for my sarili ko na nandito ako yun like it really scares the shit out of me talaga nandito ako ngayon tapos naglalaro lang tapos hindi ako nag-aaral and minsan nagpapaisip na lang ako kung deserve ko pa talaga mabuhay or parang ganun and wala akong sense of purpose parang and it really sucks to be that kind of person na kinakailangan mo wala na pala ako na kinakailangan mo mag-take na responsibility for yourself and for the expectations of other people as well towards you, na nakakatakot lang, na yun nga, na parang minsan napapaisip na lang ako if it's really hard to think na binibigay sa'yo lahat ng blessings tapos binabaliwala mo lang. Binibigay sa akin lahat ng opportunity to grow, pero parang wala lang akong pakialam. Alam mo yun? And it really sucks to the point na why am I even living sa mundo na to? I mean, it's just my own thoughts na dito ako ngayon. I'm recording this for sa YouTube channel ko para lang to really rant my thoughts, kasi I don't have anyone to talk to, and it kinda sucks kasi wala eh. It really sucks talaga to really know something despite having the mindset of where I have to take charge of my life and to see fit na kinakailangan ko kumilos talaga. Ayun lang naman sa akin, and especially tumatanda na ako. I'm 23 years old and wala pa ring maambag sa mundo. And ayun, and it really sucks. Just doing this for the sake of me trying to express my thoughts again. Paikot-ikot ako and wala akong wala akong masabi at this point. Parang every time na ginagawa ko to is may humahad lang talaga sa akin to grow. And it kills me inside, no? It really kills me inside na not knowing na parang kinakailangan ko kumilos talaga para lang sa kinakabukasan ko. Kasi isip ako na isip, ayun, napaisip na lang ako kung may saysay pa ba yung ginagawa ko. Ayun, alam mo yun. Ayun. Okay dyan. And napaisip na lang ako kung okay pa ba itong ginagawa ko for myself, na na nandito ako ngayon na parang ayun, wala akong masabi. Pero I guess I just want to tell myself na lang na kung hindi ka na magabago, paano ka na? Paano ka na mabuhay sa mundo na walang pakialam sa feelings mo? Alam mo 'yun? Paano mo na makita yung future na gusto mo mangyari? Paano mo na makikita yung idea na magkakaroon ka ng incentives or ng budget sooner or later? And seeing that you're so much having to listen to your own mind rather than listening to the possibilities of allowing you to grow yourself, Naljin, um and it kills me. Oh man. Excuse me? Okay? Meron pa lang ganito. And parang napaisip na lang ako na ayun. I guess what I'm trying to say is na minsan lang ako mabuhay sa mundo and napaisip na lang ako na parang should I really fucking chase my dreams and sacrifice everything that I've obviously are not prepared to lose? Alam mo yun? Na paisip na lang ako if ever lang na maging okay ako or kaya magiging pabor yung mundo sa ginagawa ko is somehow not related dun sa gusto kong mangyari in the near future. And it really kills me talaga na sabihin na nandito ako ngayon tapos to say na na kinakailangan ko kumilos para sa pangarap ko sa buhay or kaya mga ano man yung dadalhin sa akin ng universe. Kasi at this point talaga papaisip na lang ako if deserve ko pa talaga yung idea na nandito ako na mabuhay. And it really makes me sad to the point na I'm getting so much nothing out of what I'm trying to do or to say, or to lessen the idea na parang I have an idea like making this video, a YouTube video of playing Minecraft that I see online, na to really point out na I'm being productive at the same time. I'm I'm documenting my idea of me growing as a person, or parang at a time capsule of kung sino ba talaga ako in the past, also whether or not I'm capable of growing. And it really bothers me to know na meron pala akong ganitong side before na hindi ko naman alam. And it took a lot of courage to say these things, kasi aware ako, pero I'm not taking action on the things that I want to do para lang meron lang magawa sa isang in my everyday scenarios in my head. Or ayun. And it really tells me something talaga na I'm so much capable of I'm really capable of a lot of things. Hindi ko lang nakikita sa sarili ko na wala akong talagang competency for myself, as well as how I view the idea na I really have to grow. And it takes a while to understand how much I'm willing to grow, but it's really a matter of time knowing that I too must move on towards the idea na ayun lang naman. Thank you for listening.